people they think getting ready to die. How is your grandmother doing? And that's when you get mad. If my grandmama fine, Dracula, get away from me.
Drinking wine, clearly you have a lot of emotions and you're going through some things. And if you're drinking bourbon, you have no emotions. You've been through some things.
I'm sapiosexual, which means I like smart men. So I'll probably die alone.
Just one thing. She's got a penis. She's got that.
Talking to this woman the other day, and she tells me she has a peanut allergy. Right, I misheard the word.
Your son up from school, you can't even identify your son. How the hell you get a hole right here?